welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll tell you how I style my oversized clothing. And as much as I love wearing these short tops, tight fitted dresses, I also love to wear these loose t-shirts. So I am wearing one. So how I like to style it, I tuck my t-shirt in. So I'm wearing this really loose t-shirt which is litted, and I styled it with this denim skirt. You might be thinking that it's very tight, but no, it's quite stretchable and very breathable. But if you are not comfortable with this one, you can easily go for the longer skirt and little loose if you are comfortable with that. And with this I am wearing my sneakers, and I think this look is so casual and really good for summers. So next up I have this really loose white shirt. I like this shirt and it's quite wrinkly, so I'm sorry for that. So how I like to style it, I like to tie a knot in the front, and I'm wearing a skirt. This skirt has a slit. You can go for something which is like more covered up, but I think a slit will look great. And I'm also wearing boots just to glam it up a little bit. And for the jewelry, I have gone for this really chunky gold necklace because I really like how it's popping out in the this all white look. So this is the another way I've styled my shirt, and this is a little Indo-Western, and I often wear this shirt just like this. And these are some mom jeans that I have, and this is the best pair I own right now. And I also have worn these juttis with it. These are little Indian, so this whole look is looking Indo-Western, and I really love how this is looking. Yeah. So next up I have this oversized black blazer. This one is my favorite, and I have stolen it from my brother. You will see me wearing this blazer in every single video, and in this video I have styled it with my mom jeans, with my favorite mom jeans, and this tube top. This is like a pop of color in the entire outfit, and I like to pull the sleeves up, and I have combined this look with my boots, and occasionally, and I often like to wear it with some black sneakers, but I don't have them right now. If you want to wear it, it's good to pair it with some shoes, and I like how this is like a great boss look, and this is such a great look. So next up I'm wearing this oversized denim jacket. So I like to fold the sleeves like this, and I'm wearing a t-shirt. This is a black t-shirt, and I matched it with this biker shorts. I recently got these shorts. So the best part about these shorts are, like, if you don't want to wear like really short shorts, so you can really go for this, and these are really comfortable to wear. And this is such a athleisure kind of look because I have paired it with some sport shoes, and yeah, I like this look. So next up I'm wearing these oversized pants. These are like really straight and very comfortable for summer especially. I'm wearing these every single day, and above it I'm wearing this halter kind of a top, and I kept styling very simple. I'm wearing these pearl hoops and hair tied in a ponytail, and just to glam this look I wore heels, and I think this look turned out really nice. And I know a lot of people think that oversized things don't look good, but just look at this look really perfect. So for the days when I want to play dress up and I don't want to put a lot of effort, I put on a maxi dress which is like flowy, and it's like little loose and little bit cinched on the waist. And this is one piece of fabric that you don't have to match with anything. This because it's a single piece of fabric. And here also I have put on this yellow flowy dress and matched it with like tassel earrings that I have. And to add a pop of color, I put on like these pink earrings and these white heels. So if we are talking about maxi dresses, how can I forget about like these Indian looking or Indo-Western sort of dresses? So I'm wearing one. This is like all flowery, and this is have like oversized fit. So how I like to style it, I like to cinch my waist with a belt to give my body a little shape, and With it, I'm wearing like these tassel earrings, and to glam this look a bit, I'm wearing these heels. You can go for the juttis if you're going for an Indian, function, and this look is so perfect if you are attending any Indian function. So if you like this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. It really helped me grow my channel, and I see you next time. Bye.